If you've ever thought about running a weekly newsletter but felt overwhelmed just thinking about it, stick with me. Because in the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to run a weekly newsletter without burning out. Not only that, but I'll show you how to make it feel almost effortless, using a system I built after testing nearly every popular newsletter platform out there. And if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using just for viewers of this channel in the description. So first, here's the secret. You don't need to write everything from scratch every single week. The fastest way to burn out with a weekly newsletter is trying to reinvent the wheel every time. Instead, build a repeatable structure. Think of it like a template with 3 core parts: a short intro, a value-packed middle, and a call to action at the end. That structure stays the same, only the content changes slightly each week. Block 30 minutes max each week to fill in your template. Don't start a newsletter, just fill in this week's section. This subtle mindset shift removes the pressure and keeps it consistent. That's how you run a weekly newsletter without burnout. Now, content curation is your friend. You don't need to create all the content. Just deliver the best of what's already out there with your take. Use tools that let you save articles, tweets, posts, videos throughout the week into a single dashboard. Then, on newsletter day, pick 3 to 5 of the most relevant ones, add your commentary, and paste them into your template. Done. Next. Batch your content ideas. If inspiration strikes, don't just use that idea for this week. Keep a running list in the software we'll be using. That way, future you never stares at a blank page. Every time you think, this would be great for the newsletter, save it, automate the boring stuff. Formatting, sending, A/B testing subject lines. Our software handles all of this with built-in templates and scheduling. You just write and go. That's it. And remember, if you want to test drive this software, the exclusive free trial link is in the description. It's only available through this channel. Also, don't overthink design. A plain text format with bold headers, short paragraphs, and clear links usually performs better than anything flashy. You're not designing a magazine, you're delivering value. Last tip, set limits. Your readers are busy and so are you. Keep the word count, 400, 600 words max. Make it short, punchy, and something they can read in under 2 minutes. This keeps engagement high and effort low. Here's the key takeaway. Running a weekly newsletter without burning out isn't about working harder. It's about building a system that works for you, not the other way around. Quick recap. Create a repeatable structure. Curate content. Don't create everything. Batch your ideas ahead of time. Automate the publishing process with the right tools. Keep it simple, short, and consistent. If you take just one thing from this, it's this. Burnout comes from overcomplication. Simplify your workflow and consistency will follow. And if you want the exact software I use to keep things running smoothly, grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's there to make your newsletter process effortless, just like we've talked about.